Hey guys, here I got another video of my 2007 Chevy Avalanche. Um, for those who are hearing a rattling noise that sounds kind of like this, like your keys are making a bunch of noise, mine's doing that. See, and I went and paid money to get this checked. Everybody's like, oh, it's that thing in my jiggy there, or that down there, whatever. Anyways, I threw in a lot of money into it and nobody found the problem. So today I decided to change my oil, and as soon as I went underneath this truck, here, hang on. Okay, I'm underneath the truck now. I came underneath the truck, doing my oil change. Got it jacked up. I was just laying down here and I saw this. See that? That's making that noise. It's making that ding noise. Yeah, that's what it is. Fucking A. Paid a bunch of money, nobody found the problem. And there's another one right there. See that? Well, hopefully this video helps. You guys can check it out yourself if you guys have the same problem. Well, thanks for watching.